Well, here it is, my RSV 1000. Yeah, thought I would make a small introduction video about it, show you a little bit what I've been doing with it over the years, electronics, suspension, chassis, engine, some solutions you don't see that often in an RSV. But anyways, the chassis is from, I actually imported the frame from the United States several years ago because I already had one in the same color, but I was building two identical bikes at the time. So this is the old number one bike. The old number one, before I rebuilt it, had the FGR fork that is on my RSV4 at the moment. But that one I will show that one later. It's, as you can see, it's 2007, I think. Not sure, I think so. Engine has been rebuilt with my big bore kit of 1127 cubic centimeters. Some cams, Kent cams, and that is actually why the fairings is not on it at the moment, because this weekend we are going to test different cams and settings to see if we can attract a little bit more power out of it. And also, this is actually one of the few bikes with this engine that has ride-by-wire. I don't know if you can see it, but if you look closely here, you see this is actually a throttle handle from a Ducati Panigale. So there's no cables from here. It's just electronic, and that is possible because under here we have a rather special ECU. It's a Motec ECU with pretty much every option available unlocked. So if you can see it right here, it's an M800. You can sequentially control 8 cylinders out of the box, and with an option you can control 12. I have a lot of options on it, and later on I will be doing a special video about the electronics, and I will do one on the engine, and I will do one on the chassis and the brakes and so forth. So yeah, I hope you guys are interested to see more. And this is how the cockpit looks. You have a small switch. Yeah, this is the traction control has been disabled by this button over here, because when I had it on the dyno the other day, obviously you cannot use the traction control on the dyno because, yeah, you know, don't have to explain that one. And yeah, you have the regular traction control up and down. You have, as you saw here, traction control disable. You have I have 2 different maps. On the other side you have the regular kill button and the starter button. And also down here you have one button to control the display. So if you look here, you have the warm up. This is when the engine is cold. I have a lot of data here: oil temp and oil pressure, engine temp, how much throttle I give it, like this, and so on and so on. So, and then I have a race mode, and all of this is configurable, so you can do pretty much what you want. But more on the electronics in another video. Brembo brakes, M4 calipers. Not so fond of them actually, because the aluminium pistons are prone to press on the discs when they get hot. So I have a small upgrade coming. I can say this much. It has something to do with this one. So obviously I'm going to make new pistons, but that's also in another video further ahead. So yeah, this weekend, as I said, we are going to take out the engine, change the cams, check the settings, see if we can extract maybe a couple of horsepower more. So yeah, hope you liked it. See you in the next one.